Well, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about the night air show so far? How many of you are
all players,
ready for
all
more
players. Let's just
action?
listen up here a second. We're going to go with the 04 hack.
There we go.
Log easy, you can descend down or keep your altitude, your choice.
There is a special surprise in store for us.
Chipmunk, confirm established in the
Our
hole.
team's right
Established in the hole, Chipmunk.
hard to
Check
get
fuel.
things
Fuel's
ready
good, thanks for asking.
for a phenomenal
Mini jet, confirm
finale.
established. Established, fuel's good, mini jet. Fuel, red line, confirm established. Established and fuel's good, red line.
As we are under the cover of darkness, a friendly reminder that as things come to a close, we wait and enjoy as we bring the lights back up.
Pyro, boss.
Make sure your children are nearby as
Confirm ready.
it's darker
ready?
and darker.
Fireworks, boss. No fireworks. Confirm ready. Sunflower. Also, radio check, everybody upstairs. Brian, here's it. Back there. Mini jet, were you able to hear fireworks? Mini jet, was able to hear fireworks. You. As long as you heard. Starlight drones, are you ready? Ready, boss. Thank you. Laser Bob, you ready? He's dead yet. I didn't see him. Timekeeper, boss. Timekeeper, go. Confirm you're ready. Timekeeper's ready. And radio check from the performers, please. Come on. Hey, Jet. Timekeeper's ready. Minutes ahead.
American-made drones bringing up the American flag, celebrating 250 years. Let's give them a round of applause.
All players, just a reminder, you're cleared in the box on your time. Stand by hack.